Hello everyone. In today's video, I will introduce to you how to use the Spire.Doc for Java library to implement the document comparison function in Microsoft Word. Whether you have programming experience or not, this video will help you easily learn how to compare Word documents in Microsoft Word and implement this function using Java code. Let's give it a try. First, let's talk about how to compare documents in Microsoft Word. These are two pre-prepared documents. Text 1 is the original document. Text 2 is the document for comparison, which has some content and formatting modifications based on Text 1. Now, we directly use the function that comes with Microsoft Word to compare the two documents. Here, we select the path of the original document and the modified document. The compare options are set to Word level, and the result document is required to display formatting changes. Finally, click OK and save the result document to the desktop. Let's open the result document to view the differences between the two documents. You can see that the modified and added words are highlighted in the document, and the formatting changes are also listed on the right side. That's all the steps to compare documents in Microsoft Word. Well, I guess you must have mastered it, right? If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below this video. Okay, back to the topic. There are 5 steps of comparing Word documents using Java code. Step 1. Create 2 document objects. Step 2. Load the original document and the document for comparison using the created document objects. Step 3. Set the parameters for comparison. Step 4. Compare the two documents. Step 5. Save the result document. Next, I will show you how to use Spire.Doc for Java to compare documents with just a few lines of code. As you can see, I have already created a regular project in IDEA and imported the Spire.Doc jar package into it. If you don't know how to do that, please watch the video tutorial posted before. Let's compile the code step by step. First, create 2 document objects. Then load the original document into document 1 and load the modified document into document 2. For demonstration purposes, I have already placed the required documents in the root directory of the project. After that, set the comparison parameters. These parameters are defined in the Compare Options class. Similar to Microsoft's comparison feature, here we can also set whether to ignore formatting changes. By setting it to false, we can ignore formatting changes. Then set the comparison level to Word level. Call the compare method of the document class. In this method, the first parameter is the document to be compared, the second parameter is the author, and the third parameter is the comparison options. Finally, save the result document in the docs format. Now, let's run this code together. After a successful run, open the result document. Just like the comparison results in Microsoft Word, the modified content and formatting are clearly visible. Here, I have provided the relevant code with corresponding comments. For example, when loading a document, you can load from a physical path or a stream. As for comparing documents, you can set different parameters to compare them, such as character level or word level. If you don't want to ignore formatting changes, set it to true. When saving the result document, you can also choose the document format yourself. Finally, if needed, you can use the dispose method to release resources. That's all for this video. If you have any question, please feel free to contact us. Thank you for watching.